I'm Abby Hundley. I'm a conservator here for State Archives Collection, part of Museums of History, and we're at the Western Sydney Records Centre today. Conservators use a number of different tools depending on the type of treatment they're undertaking. So for paper conservation, often we like some really fine, detailed tools to be able to get between different layers and both lift and re-adhere or reattach. We use plenty of brushes, so like very traditional kind of tools. So I'm just using a cleaning sponge, very soft sponge, absorbent sponge, to remove some of the surface dirt. So we tend to do this before we apply any kind of adhesives or moisture to it. You'd be surprised at how much dirt still comes off an object like this. Like we said, I mean, it dates back to the mid-19th century, but also it was a working document. So a lot of these maps had multiple lives. They had later annotations and they were added to over the years, and they were rolled out and taken off site. So they really have lived their own kind of lives, and the purpose of the treatment isn't necessarily to make it look like new, but just to sort of sympathetically stabilise it and make it look like it's well cared for, as it will be in perpetuity. A lot of what we use is quite basic or traditional, including things like wheat starch paste and brushes. We use these because they're proven to have really good long-term stability. So we know that they're reversible and that they won't cause any long-term effects or undoable effects on the paper and the materials that we have in our collection. So this is an example of a toned infill that we're doing. It's a way of sort of repairing some of the loss and of reinforcing that linen backing. For this repair, I just want to tuck the edges of the feathered repair tissue underneath the linen of the plan. We also use things like Teflon spatulas, and these we have traditional bone spatulas, but something like Teflon gives us a nice sort of slip quality to it. So it's handy for getting between things and making sure that we don't cause any damage when we do that. The work here of paper conservation is often quite delicate or detail oriented, but I really enjoy the fact that it can be kind of painstaking, or that really micro level, and then you get to sort of see that macro side too. So when an exhibition comes together or part of a collection has been digitised, you see the whole, and it really highlights why we do what we do here.